Today's Friday, September 6th. This is the 1968 Cadillac climate control system, which I'm rebuilding for my friend John in Michigan, in Boyne City, Michigan. And these are the two individual micro switches, completely disassembled, and I'm rebuilding both of them as part of a complete restoration of all the air conditioning components, which include the AC power servo, which will be a separate video, as well as the climate controller and some other ancillary components. So the original micro switches are mounted in the back and on the side. You can look at it underneath. They have a lever. They're very problematic, often the cause of failure to provide electrical continuity to the appropriate locations of the circuit board. And this is just a small sampling of the extensive detail that I go through when I complete these full restorations of the climate control systems. So we can see John's is right here already in pieces, and I'm only about a third of the way through. Okay, so this is George in Florida. The next thing I'm going to be doing is the circuit board, and then the kinematic motion of the slide lever, and of course the relapping, precision lapping to a zero microfinish of the rotary manifold, multi-port rotary manifold. So this is just a sampling of the level of detail that I go through when I rebuild these air conditioning components. As you can see, these are truly restored systems and not just cleaned and purported to be restored. So this is George in Florida. I have over 375,000 original vintage Cadillac items from 1959 through 1976, all the way through 78 for the Cadillac Eldorados. I'm best known for my restoration of the Cadillac steering wheels, the tilt and telescopic steering columns, the power seat mechanisms, the instrument clusters, and other critical, hard-to-source original vintage Cadillac items, such as the in-dash climate controllers and the power servo units, of which there'll be follow-on videos subsequent to this. Today is Friday, September 6th. Thank you very kindly.